is that? Oh, it's you. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for jumping in. We got a little bit more TwilioQuest coming up for you guys today. So today we're just finishing off the basic training section of the game. So this is going to be a bit of a shorter video. I think it's about 20 minutes-ish. 20 minutes-ish. So this actually represents a significantly larger chunk of my time. Like actually going through the game was like at least an hour and a half. Jumping back and forth, doing other things, and at one point I had to like pop out, talk to my wife. But yeah, it was about 20 to 8, and it was close to 9 when I finished playing the game. Yeah, so it's like an hour and 40 minutes, jeez. But by the time I've edited everything down and edited out all the stuff that I didn't need, I got about 20 minutes of content for you guys. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoy it. As I said, we're just finishing off basic training. And then in the next video, we're going to be, you're going to see the start of the JavaScript section of the game, which I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. That's actually been really cool so far. But yeah, we're going to jump on in. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. Hope you enjoy. Okay, and we are back. Let me just tweak this. Is that better? We're going to assume that's better. We are back. It's 20 to 8 at night. I am tired. I've worked all day and done a workout and had a hefty dinner. Perfect time to try to learn something. Am I right? Anyway, we're back with more Twilio. We're going to try and finish off at least basic training tonight. Sorry, I'm going to be wriggling around a lot to try and get comfortable. For those of you who haven't figured it out, I do have an ongoing issue with my neck and back, which is why you see me fidget and move my head and neck around a lot during my videos. But I'm not really happy with this camera angle. I'm not vibing it. I guess that's as good as it's going to get. Let's jump on into the game.
Operator,
still love this music.
I am pleased that you are becoming more comfortable navigating the Fog Owl and our training simulations.
We'll just sit quietly while Cedric talks to us.
Before proceeding any further, you clear at least the final barrier of the basic training exercise. Doing so will unlock more training missions in the mission computer.
Why, thank you, Cedric. So that is one thing to note, I guess. It won't save the spot that we were at. It will just reload, launch us back into the Fog Owl. Oh, I have to click launch mission over here. Just going to turn down my audio a little bit. Hopefully it won't impact what you guys get in the final recording, but the game audio is a bit overwhelming. Yeah, I already did that one, didn't I? Check it out. Yep. Wait, I need to go back here and read this. No, it's the one down here, isn't it? Yeah, I need to copy paste something here. Yeah, I need to copy paste this thing down here because I'm going to need this for a question a little bit later on. This got me on my last playthrough as well because I did it in 2 parts. Let's do this. Use the integrated code editor in the hacking interface to create a simple web application. The code you need will already be present in the editor. To begin, click the Show Code Editor button to the right. Press the play button to execute the code and start the application. If you make no changes to the example code, the application will be available at localhost 8767. I have no idea what any of this means. With the application running, paste this URL into the text field on the right and click Hack. Well, how am I meant to copy paste the thing down below and keep that? I guess we're going back again. You can open the URL in your web browser to test it out. Okay. You guys won't be able to see it. assuming I've set this up right. So I actually am recording on OBS. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry, that was probably terribly loud directly into the microphone. Yeah, so it just brings up a little thing saying hello world. Dope. Cool.
Congratulations on clearing this barrier. Ahead, you will notice different paths to choose from. If you intend to use Twilio APIs during your training, you will need to clear at least the first 2 barriers on the path to your right. Continue straight on for the final steps of your basic operator training.
Do I want to use Twilio APIs? I have no idea what that... Guess I'm wearing this. So I actually have figured out how to record this on OBS. I just need to do a capture window instead of capture game. Yeah, let's suss out what's over here.
The next 2 barriers will require a Twilio account to complete. A Twilio account is required for code challenges that utilize Twilio APIs and products.
Do I need to pay to complete Twilio API challenges?
No. Twilio API challenges are designed to be completed with a free trial account. Some Twilio API features are only available to paid accounts, but those features should not be strictly necessary during your training.
Can I get some free credits to try paid account features?
Beyond the next 2 barriers, there is a chest containing a promotional code you can redeem for free Twilio API credits.
Cool. I don't know what they do. Do I need to pay? I already did that. Why do I need to input my Twilio account credentials here?
TwilioQuest stores your account credentials to validate that you have completed Twilio-related API tasks during your training. Occasionally, we also use the Twilio API on your behalf to make configuration changes needed to complete a lesson. We recommend that you do not use a production Twilio account with TwilioQuest, and that you create a dedicated project for this purpose.
What the hell does that mean? Just clicking the link here again. You guys shouldn't be able to see what I'm doing now. Yeah. So as far as you guys are concerned, nothing's happening on screen. End conversation. Twilio chucks. Lack the arch support needed for extended missions in the field. Well, let me talk to you about my feet, because I'm into barefoot style shoes, my friend, and yeah, anyway. You get custom Twilio chucks. And we are back after that short break. So I just paused the recording for a minute because there was a lot of stuff to do, and also I had to enter some credentials to unlock this pathway. And I finally understand when I first posted these TwilioQuest videos many moons ago. Just a friendly reminder, stay hydrated. When I first posted these videos quite some time ago, someone commented saying they didn't understand why they needed so much information from you, which confused me because you can download the game, like you just download it, that's it, they don't ask for anything. But it's the signing up for Twilio, they ask for a whole bunch of information, creating a Twilio account. Which, yeah, I mean, you need it to use their services, it's what they do, so... Yeah, if you don't want to be giving away your information to a company that you don't know much about, don't do this section and don't set up a Twilio account. That would be my recommendation. But yeah, I understand what you're talking about now, buddy. And I understand why you're disturbed, thinking that you needed that just to access the game. But you didn't need to do that to access the game, is the short version. You don't need to create an account to download the game. So, pro tip. Back to tutorial. What do you want? Using the Twilio console, obtain a programmable phone number. I don't like the sound of this being on public record. I'll be back in a second. And we are right back. Just jotting down a little note there so that if I ever do want to update, I have the appropriate code. So we just need to type in TwilioQuest here. Sorry if that's really loud, I keep forgetting I've moved the mic right up to my face. Okay, inventory. Nothing is protecting my little head. Although I do have a Viking helmet, that's pretty dope. You never know when you'll need to blend in on a Sunday afternoon during the fall in Minnesota. The fabled Twilio battle helm looks heavy on the armor stand, but feels light as a feather atop your head. The integrated heads-up display handily keeps track of your missile inventory. The onboard AI features a charming Irish accent. You wonder, though you quickly suppress the inquiry, why the interior smells of scotch and Kraft macaroni and cheese. Yeah, it's a little weird. I wish it would tell us the actual stats on these things. Oh. Trump supporter, sci-fi dude. Trump supporter, sci-fi dude. I gotta go with sci-fi dude. I actually kind of prefer the boots there, to be honest. Twilio has a referral program you can use to add free credit to your Twilio account. Learn how to use it in this objective. So this is where I can learn to tell my friends about Twilio. Okay, here's another one where I'm going to smash pause real quick. Didn't work. I tell a lie, it totally worked. It just looked like it didn't, so I don't know if I got extra XP each time I did that or not. Twilio trackband. Set up a sample application to use for Twilio development in your favorite programming language. Okay, you know what? We're going to come back to all of this a little later. This is just very disruptive, isn't it? Constantly pausing and jumping back and forth. Go here, press spacebar. These cones blocking my path must mean an area is not ready for exploration. I should return another time though, because paths blocked by cones will open in the future. Cool. You notice that you can interact with some objects using the spacebar to examine them more closely. Reading signs like this one can sometimes be handy. Right, do I want to go down or up? Terraforming, and in a moment a tree springs to life. They're the wonders of science. I found 2 out of 12 trees for the Earth Day challenge. Cool. Oh yeah, there's just the chest and I need the code from down here. But I've had to copy paste about 1 million things since then. I actually didn't need to click any of that, I have the code. Yoga pants? What? I kind of do like the all black down there though. Okay, let's get on up here. Get my chest. Explore every corner of the cloud and become the ultimate operator. Sometimes there are rewards hiding in non-obvious corners of virtual environments. Case in point, this chest. Being the sly explorer you are, you took the detour and found it. Click the hack button to receive a reward for your extra steps. Read the help question for more information on how ranks and progress work in TwilioQuest. Well, we definitely want to know that. Pardon me. You can track your progress across objectives in the mission computer. The progress bar will fill up based on how much of the available XP you have earned for a mission. You'll receive a rank on for your completion percentage. S 100%, A, B, C, D, E. If anyone out there knows, can you sound off in the comments and tell me, like, how did S become the highest ranking thing? Like, I know it's a tier system, like, you know, S tier, but like, what does the S stand for? Why is S so high up? And what if I get down like halfway through the alphabet and I need S to be down here like after R and before T? Do I just go straight from R to T? Like, that doesn't make sense. Why is S all the way up there? Like, what is it? What is this? What is any of this? You'll receive an overall rank based on your completion on all of TwilioQuest. Do I have what it takes to achieve an S rank for all of TwilioQuest? Well, not right now. Can't rest on your laurels. You should also know TwilioQuest will be updated frequently with new content and missions. As the overall amount of XP in the game and in individual missions increases, you may find that your ranking dips back down a bit. Check back often to keep your operator rank high. Makes sense? And now I get my laser sword. My totally non-copyright infringing sci-fi laser sword. Okay, so I think there's just one puzzle left. Obviously there's all of the stuff over here in the Twilio section, but I don't think that's going to make for particularly compelling viewing right now. I might come back to that later. There's great power in executing code on your computer. Ensure that you are using this power responsibly. You will get an operator helmet. Code executing on your computer is not able to make changes to your computer or access your personal information. False! Copying and pasting code from the internet can be dangerous. If you don't understand what a piece of code does, you should ask a trusted person for guidance before you use it. True! In TwilioQuest, you'll be writing code in a variety of programming languages. You will learn to install and use the tools software development professionals use every day. Ooh, every day? Code can do powerful things, which is why we're excited to share it with you. However, you should be aware that code can also do harmful things to your computer if you're not careful. You might execute code that does something to your computer that you did not intend, like delete files or change configuration settings. It's even possible that unscrupulous individuals on the internet may attempt to trick you into running code that can harm your computer or steal your personal data. What will I do? Where will I go? When running code on your computer, it is important to remember the following. There is no undo button when you run code. Make sure you know what your code is going to do before you run it. Only use code from sources you trust, or code that you fully understand. The problem is, how do you know what sources to trust? And sometimes you're fooled into trusting sources that you should not. That's called social engineering. If you're confused or concerned about what your code will do, ask a teacher or mentor for help. Answer the questions on the right to ensure that you understand these facts, then click the hack button. Once you do, your adventure can begin in earnest.
Excellent work.
Oh, thanks, Cedric.
Completed our basic training exercise. Walk ahead to the exit area to return to the Fog Owl and begin your next mission.
Return to my sexy robot waifu, Cedric. Ooh, that's even slicker than the battle helm. Is it? Is it though? Battle helm. That sounds more badass than operator helmet. We're going with the battle helm.
Congratulations on successfully completing the basic training exercise. Our faith in your abilities was well founded. If you return to the VR pods, you will see that more training exercises have been unlocked in the mission computer. Complete as many of these challenges as you can to continue your operator training.
Alright guys, so that's basic training completed. We're going to wrap this one up here because this video is going to require a little more editing because there was a lot of pausing, stopping and starting. I actually had to cut off the recording a couple of times and start a new recording, and there's some things in here that I probably need to edit out entirely because I made a joke about something that YouTube really does not like people talking about. So yeah, I'm going to have to go back and do some editing, edit my big mouth out of this. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You've been brilliant.